what's up guys? Welcome back to Bondi Harvest. Today we are doing a 4-ingredient breakfast cookie. It uses granola, it's healthy, it's delicious, and most importantly, it's really quick and easy. You can whip these up, you can have them in a jar, and you can run out the door and have breakfast. Save you time, save you money, and also keep you healthy and full. This has to be the simplest cookie recipe you'll ever make. It only takes a few ingredients. So 4 ingredients: eggs, granola, flour, and a little bit of honey to sweeten it. So our ingredients are, we have some honey roasted granola, 1 egg, plain flour, but you could also make it gluten-free and you could use almond meal. And then we have some honey or maple syrup, depending on which you prefer. The recipe is super simple. All you have to do is mix all 4 ingredients into a bowl until they're smooth and combined. From there, you're gonna spoon out your cookie mixture onto a prepared baking tray and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees, about 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, until they're golden, crunchy on the outside, yet soft and fluffy in the middle. Pull them out of the oven, put them onto a baking tray. Once your cookies are cooled down, they'll last in an airtight container in a dry area for about 2 to 3 weeks. Alright guys, I hope you love the recipe. Do me a favour, leave some comments below if you have any questions. If you want the recipe, you can download it from bondiharvest.com. Subscribe so you never miss a video. Stay healthy, keep cooking, and make sure you share the good vibes.